if you want to try to categorize energy recovery in 3 different ways, one way would be to recover heat between different zones, meaning we've got one room. One way I could see this happening most efficiently, and to be clear, I haven't done this in a cultivation facility, but it's done in more larger commercial facilities all the time. You would basically recover that heat from one zone into another zone. And the way I could think of that happening most efficiently is to recover the heat into, say, an office area would be one of the simplest ways to accomplish this. You could potentially find a way to recover that heat and use it for dehumidification in a different area as well. That might get a little more complicated. So that's that first number one there. Transferring heat and humidity from the indoor space to the exterior of the building through an energy recovery wheel. As an example, if you were to have a quite favorable dry environment, say in the winter time, dry and cool, you could transfer the warm, humid air into that dry. It would essentially just suck it up, and it would get transferred energy recovery wheel to the exterior of the building without losing any CO2, bringing in any outside air, potentially contaminating with somebody else's cultivation facility that's nearby. So there are a lot of positives to that. And then the other thing, which we've kind of already touched on, is recovering heat at the central plant with the heat recovery chillers, which Keith went into some detail about already, but also hot gas reheat, whereby the compressor, you taking the heat rejected from the compressors and you're reusing it. And that's an incredibly simple thing to add on to most packaged pieces of equipment. And that can allow you to have a lot of dehumidification control as well as some heat recovery.